Hello children, in my previous lesson I introduced you three numbers. Now today I am going to introduce you another three numbers. Here the first number here, number 4. Number 4. Here number 4. 4. Number 4. Okay. This is number 5. 5. Number 5. Number 5. Here 5. 5. Number 5. Here number 4. 4. 4. Here number 5. 5. 5. 4. 4. 5. 5. Here this number is number 6. Number 6. Number 6. 6. Number 6. 6. Number 6. Here number 4. Here number 5. Here number 6. 4. 5. 6. 4. 5. 6. 4. 5. 6. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. Okay. Now next lesson I will introduce you another 4 numbers. Okay. Thank you children.